So the new game Hyperscape came out, and I wanted to see how it ran on this system. And the system has an i5-2400, an R9 380X, and an 8GB DDR3 RAM. So the settings that I'm going to use are ultra low, medium, and high. I tried to get it running on ultra high, but it didn't work. The game kept crashing. Maybe it's my system, or maybe it could be game optimization. I'm not sure yet. So what I do want to know is if somebody has a system similar to this, or the exact system, how this game is running on your system. I feel like this graphics card might not be performing the way it's supposed to be. I feel like the frame rate's a little bit too low, but that could just be me. So if anybody else has a system similar to this, please let me know in the comments down below how many frame rates you get on ultra low, medium, and high, and if you can run it on ultra high.
Be aware of your location, contenders. Sectors are starting to collapse.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you do want to subscribe, I will be doing a full video on the $200 laptop. It's going to be coming out next week or the week after that. And if you're interested in that video, consider subscribing, and I will catch you in the next video.